Are you living paycheck to paycheck? Waiting for salary day, only to see it vanish in bills, debts, and basic expenses? If you have only one income source, you're at risk. Because when that one source goes away, everything crumbles. Today, I'll show you how I built 3 extra income streams alongside my full-time job. And you can do the same, starting today. Stick with me till the end. This could change the way you earn forever. And drop a comment below, which income idea will you try first? Part 1, the biggest lie, a job is enough. All my life I heard the same thing. Study hard, get a job, and you'll be set for life. But no one told me what happens when that job disappears. Here's the fact. 65% of millionaires have 3 to 7 income streams. Most people? Just one, their job. And that job depends on someone else's decision. If you truly want freedom, you need to stop relying on one source. Part 2, your job is a tool, not your identity. A job is not a trap. It's a tool. It gives you money, experience, and structure. But if you depend on it forever, you're building your house on someone else's land. Here's the new mindset. My job funds my dreams, but it's not the dream. Part 3, 5 income streams you can build with a job. Number 1, freelancing. Turn skills into cash. Are you good at writing, design, editing, coding, marketing, or translation? Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer pay you to do what you already know. I worked just 4 hours a week and made $150 in my first month. Start small. Build trust. Deliver quality. Number 2, digital products. Create once, sell forever. Do you know something valuable? Turn that knowledge into an ebook, an online course, a checklist, or a digital template. Upload it on Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy, and let it sell on autopilot. Passive income isn't a dream. It's a system. Number 3, reselling. Buy low, sell high. Find products people want, get them cheap, and sell them smart. Facebook Marketplace, eBay, OLX, millions are doing it every day. I bought a used chair for $20, sold it for $50 in just 3 hours. That's $30 profit. No skill. Just hustle. Number 4, content creation. Build, post, earn. Do you love tech, fashion, books, or motivation? Start a YouTube channel, an Instagram page, or a blog. You won't earn on day 1, but one good video can bring income for years. You're already scrolling 3 hours a day. Why not post something instead? Number 5, investing. Let your money work while you sleep. Even if you start with just $20 a month, start. Use apps to invest in mutual funds, ETFs, or index funds. Remember this: poor people spend first, then try to save. Rich people save first, and spend what's left. Compound interest doesn't ask for big money. It asks for time and consistency. Part 4, break free from mental chains. You'll hear excuses like, I don't have time. I don't have money. What if I fail? All of these are lies. Replace them with, if someone else did it, I can too. I may start slow, but I will grow. Success is not about being lucky. It's about being consistent. Part 5, small steps equal big results. Don't wait for someday. Take one action this week. Choose one income idea, and start with what you have. Here's a 7-day challenge. Set a goal. Take one small action. Send a message, sign up on a platform, write your first offer. And comment below. I'm starting with this idea this week. If this video gave you even one idea, then like, comment, and subscribe. We're building a community of doers, not dreamers. Your job gives you stability, but multiple income streams give you freedom. The choice is yours. Let's build wealth, one stream at a time.